Pag pinag-uusapan po yung budget deliberations, mabusisi po kayo dyan eh. You know, both houses of Congress,
Yes.
you talk to different heads of agencies. Kaso pagdating po ng BICAM, sabi nga nila, medyo nagkakaproblema daw o nagkakaroon ng insertions allegedly during the BICAM. Is there really a possibility that once and for all, magiging mapapanood po natin, mababantayan po itong BICAM?
Kaya mas nagkakaroon ng currency yung mga panawagan to open the BICAM. Hindi lang yung chairs ng dalawang panels, Senate at House, hindi lang yung full panels ng dalawang houses ng Kongreso, but any and all interested Filipinos, yung mga budget reform advocates, kayo sa media, or kahit sino pa sa mga kababayan natin. I don't see in principle why there would be any difficulty about that. I've raised that call, sinabi na rin niya ni Sen Ping, narinig na rin natin kay Speaker. So,
Maybe this year?
Maybe this year, we should really give it a go. Kung marami talagang gustong manood, makinig, mag-observe, then a simple technical solution like live streaming it might be easiest at hand.
I mean, nakakasama ho ba ng loob after all the, yung pagod na pinagdadaanan po ng mga talagang nakatutok sa budget, lawmakers and the heads of agencies and of course their team go through this, one by one, detalyado po sila. Tapos supposedly, allegedly, pagdating ng BICAM, ay may mga milagrong nangyayari.
Well, more than nakakasama ng loob, nakaka-alarm kung meron ngang ganong mga nangyayari. I haven't myself read the detailed reports of what's coming out now about the previous budget that we're spending now at saka insertions. But kung totoo man, or just the fact na itinatanong, all the more reason we should make the process more transparent and therefore the result at kaming mga budget makers, kaming mga legislators mas accountable. Kasi hindi dapat nangyayari yan. At hindi dapat nagkakaroon ng duda na nangyayari yun. Kasi pera yan, hindi lang nga ng gobyerno, pera ng mamamayan, literally, galing sa buwis ng mamamayan. Hindi naman nakakagulat na binabagyo tayo taon-taon. We know, we anticipate it. And pag nakikita, nararanasan natin yung mga pagbaha tulad ngayon, syempre hindi natin masisisi yung mga kababayan natin, itanong yan, nasan na yung mga flood control na taon-taon pinupondohan naman namin sa Kongreso.